sweetness of the ackee right away. And then you have the coconut milk, which just adds flavor to it, another sweetness layer that is onto it. And then you have the onions. The onions are just sweet as well with it, crispy, and give it a lot of flavor. So you can see I have some tomato on this one. Well proper. Hallelujah. Can't come up over here and make no hallelujah. The Congo bean cooked down, and it cooked down with carrot and things, so natural and healthy. Oh wow, that amazing. That's very good. The Congo bean, the taguan, that shot, and I got piece of okra. I just find piece of okra in the stew, so you know, say it well proper. Try one of the dumpling them. Try one of the dumpling.